Oboroso bw'umugusi.
Mwanchumurigaria Bwensoko TV na gukwandira ndonsi ya sore mbia mana soko sangani gitaseni kyago Bwensoko TV asobo tukoboiga abo 15 mutenye no 12 umwaka no gwechirubere 25 nkogendera gukonyorenga amatuko atigarete ni komyoka tonyara ko batogo chengero muiga bwesukuku na boigo amatuko atigarete ni 15 nerimo tonyara ko batogo so mwaka mu yebwechirubere 25 noyo monchenkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi ku Rwanda nsi ya sore bariki baito bamangana nigo babekire kambi chinsemo ao orongoro gusia county ya Kisii na county ya Nyamira ne county chonse 45 na ibere kwa nekyango kumanyatura aya nekiwe ase ritukeri gaseri baga yabakombata cia kurwa ase studio akabergo chikone kyamare ne chibi chango chara senchirengia togo sabero karanse ko bena inte kurbono wika omwerio. Karibu sana mwancho murigaria hapo igonyera nabo kubwatia mesiga ya mayekuru ensoka ensemo wethera se mitando igito yekerero ya Facebook na YouTube na Ensoko TV. Bono togochaka no robot ro kubwatia ase eamate yo mugaka Richard Kebaso kurwa sensemo yekerenyo ensemo ya rangenyo ekaunti ya Nyamira nigere no bororo obonene maiga yugosiria eamate yabo yabantu batano. Abanyatiko bako baninga bana kwaya abanyatiko bako bwatane ngwasomba sakana ubwepara huyo enegetia abantu batana batugosiria hobogima bwabo asa bande bagendete konyora obubwenia hase chinyagitari ao korangana na Aileen Kemunto huyo ngo munyanyangi nigo bona ko eranga amateyo nigo yachete buna ekwaya huyo gocha kwene kiabuna humo yigo yengo ikiranura ase nchirengi ase batomire ngora ochase chamate chabo.
Marieta ngoro kwa Aileen Kemunto iwa minyete Kakamega togatwara umorogeri bw'enyangi tokararanga mbuya to nyare kwalika abaiboli baito yore Kebaso na Lea ono ekero inyangi ritukorie enyangi ryaikeririe are gochikoba tare 14 ekene abaiboli bagake esimi bagateba ngocha tori na ntori gocha ndutweka ngocha tori nekwaya bagateba kimbia mono nande bagateba abantu abange berure na abande batigaire inse tukabaarigani tukabatebi karibu wale sabato maragoba bagachicha tukabaarigani buya tukarara mambi tokaboka tukaende nyangi iyo yarenge nyangi yane makamo muromindo gwakerwe simu ogatebi kubuna abantu no mare to mondo korokuga naiga omondo koroku Jones Kebaso nae agatebi yino mugakone nabona abantu aba bakoreki banyoza accident yembe abantu batano be familia ye basirete mugaka bwo mucyoyo no monginoye na mumuro mwabo halafu na mukamo mumuro mwabo no muigu gocho mucyoyo nasirete bwayere ikonge ase kanisa yeto yarangenyo bone tusirete abantu nani babete bagusira lakini asatari yabete abantu basirete 11 abande mbare nyagitari bano gosaba guitonka ringa gaki abantu baminto tusabere bari bare nyagitari nyasako rwanja kwaye bagwene nande bano musigo yo no manene gaki serikali asumore mutobwatesie tonyare ko enya abantu aba baminto basirire anyare ko babagutimuka ande twegene ngakara musima kano yo bete nyasaye no arenge bana nande nyasaye nagendere gutobwatesie ngaki cyo bakomu
Nelson ate masira basirire kikaseri cyane ono to kwere bagere batana abantu bakangiye bari para cinteraba ciki bagere ngakia yabire Christmas ande koira bataba Yoro wanja kwese chi ntareba jire tigari ngorage bosukana usroke ayandi tora yangu kwana ngelinga serikali yetu bwati siko tokonya musibo yo beirega kyaro bero mutogura bantu be
tukusika bosio bono mwancho murigaria togoso ase robot rokubwatakana na chisemi ase bono nigo mweso bero mwanene ase abaibori na boiga borokia na borokia ase chisukuru au kero maiga use maiga yo konyora machibu ya matemo KJSEA ayonya tokobaga kurarigwa bene ne wizara ye chisemi bono nigo abaibori kurwa ase chisukuru au bagendrete gwesokia na kugenda ase chisukuru elio korora igoro ya matemo aiga mayana boigo grading system kyanya tokobaga korenta obokongu ase igati abayuri abukomanya buna ekerengo guse buna ege korekana kiairera na boigo konera buna abana babo ngoikirani bara matemo ya senchirengia ase basire koyobwatia na boigo koyorengania noria 0844 murikito weekly forenge na nyara komurikira ebirengererio bigati abaibori na boiga borokiwa ase chisukuru au na bono twariganire robot rukubwati
magega ya wizara ya chisemi gosokia matema KJSEA ewiki yaeta ayu abera matangana kigima ase mufumo yego magani OCBA niga abaibori abange barorekanire gutamanya chinchira aborokiwa babo bakorete kubwatikana no gutabana grading system elio banalete
sikuelewa vile nilikuwa naona vile walikuwa wanasema sijui CB1 CB2 CB3 mpaka CB4 sasa hiyo kanichanganya.
Kulingana na hii CBC ambayo imekuja sasa kidogo imetuletea changamoto kama sisi wazazi. Najua kitambo kidogo tulikuwa tunaelewa kwamba baada ya mitihani watoto walikuwa wanaitwa mashule, lakini kwa wakati huu unapata kwamba ni serikali inayo wanaita system ambayo inawaelekeza wanafunzi. Imekuwa changamoto pia, tunashindwa kuelewa kama wazazi aswa sababu kuna hii vitu wameleta wanaita E1 tunaona E1 E2
bono ni gotimia cha abaibori kurwa chinsemo au ime county ya Kisii chesokia eri gwika chisukuru au eri kurigio bosemia iguru chinchira aborokiwa babo bakorete asa matemo yom.
Naona wazazi wanakucha sana kuulizia juu ya huu mtaala, lakini tunawaambia wacha waulizie na walimu wengine ambao wako nje hapo, lakini sisi tunaendelea kufurahia na ule mtihani ulikucha, sababu naona watu wanafuraha sana.
CPC EE1 EE2. So I've been receiving parents up and down, trying to explain to them the meaning of the assessment rubrics, but still it is becoming hectic, more especially to my teachers and I as the head of the institution.
Abaibori abo nigo bayoboria serikali yensi ya Kenya kweneke buna bosemia bwa bene nkurwe gobore gochia asa abaibori nale baramanye asobwango buna abana babo bakoreta samatemu.
Mtaala huu ni ngumu kidogo kwa kueleweka, so we request the government to make it much more easier for the parents to understand hii curriculum iko namna gani. Ile kitu iko serikali waanzilishi wa hii mtaala wakuje to the ground ili waweke mikakati kuhakikisha kwamba wasasi wameunderstand hii mambo vile inaenda, so that tusiwe na maswali wakati mambo ya masomo yanapoendelea.
Skuru au anake machiria cha private egati abiri ya Hurricane egotoka chinsemo chiari atwenya ward ya Nyateko ensemo ye bunge kutucha South County ya Kisii amona St. Ruben yange yogotoka Suneka ensemo ye bunge ya Bonchari nigo chia kolete bya na baroki gwa bange konyore kerengo gya EE1 na igo nigo barache gosoa ase chiskuru chia STEM
vigeregere. Watu naona tangu mtihani ukuche naona watu wamefurahi sana.
We've been having that anxiety of receiving the exams, and finally we've got all the results. We are very happy.
I'm also urging the students, the good morals that we have taught them here, they extend it when they are outside at home and when they are going to join senior schools coming next year. We want to ensure that the foundation that we have made in our children is extended. Even when they'll grow up, they grow responsible people in future.
Nonyana boni go bachitogere gisukuru ekyo asobotenerio buya amano kubwatira no konene egati abaiboli na balimu ekene nake kiagerete agokora buya asamatemu ayo.
First of all, I want to thank our management of the school for the good work which they have been doing. Secondly, I want to thank all of the learners who have been very hardworking. They have been committed all of the whole year until we get this result.
Negati aborokigwa bali bakorete buya asa matemo yo nigo borokyo mogokobo ase okonyora matemo abo nonyanyole twake gosoikigwa.
Nilifanya grade 9 St. Reuben's Young Academy and I had chosen the STEM pathway and I wanted to pursue aviation. That the reason for pursuing aviation, it has been my dream since I was a young child to become a pilot.
Bono nigetigarete asa bayiboli kweneke buna abana babo nkwiro barachi skuru chingiya chire bachorete ilo nali barachikogendera nenchira yabo yokugania kemasomo. Inko report ya Ensoko TV kurwase county ya Kisii eriteriane Wycliffe Orenge.
Yamana murikito Wycliffe Orenge noroboti rwase nchira yobo ikira ntutegareta se chiseme mwanchu murigaria maiga ya machibu ya matemake yese agutangazwa nigo bono chiskuru akura sarongoro gusi cyabere chikwene kya amatokeo amaya nigo bono skuru yo boroso ya Kenya binge yo kutoka se ward ya Kitutu Central nsemo ibunge ya Kitutu Chache South ya chengera machibu aiga maya ase humwarimu abusaba arimu abayibori naboroki wabaikirana ase skuru yo ritkoria rero herigo chengera amachibu ayo ase bono mwarimu monne bwe skuru yo manyakaine buna Julius Ocharo hata yabire buna nigo kiwo mutangani anyata ko baka ko enekia amachibu amaya hasokonyora chi point echarenge 50 nomo na isano neyamo igoro yachiri 50 nibere naibere hasebo igo hakire mbiyamo no guchasa bayibori nabarimu asokubwatrana helio ko enekia buna nkonyora bare amachibu aiga buna gutumanyo muri kito Debora Kerubu.
Magega ya matokeo ya matemwa kejese agutangazwa nigo bono chiskuru akuroro gongorwa gusi chiabere chiko enekia matokeo amaya nige skuru yoboroso ya Kenya binge kutoka Imeye ward ya Kitutu Chache South ya chengera matokeo ya maya. Abalimu abayiboli naborokiwa nigo baikirana se skuru yo litskolia rero iliyo guchengera matokeo bwaso mwarimu manene bwe skuru yo Julius Ocharo atebire buna nigo aborokiwa bo batwareta matokeo amaya asentunde ntangani kabisa yo gutakirwa kwa matemo yo kejesea abwase mworokiwa mutangani abwate point ya 50 no mona isano nemo igoro ye 52 na ibere.
Asa matokeo twa wata abana 89 na kero mwana ya ititi eto ko bati mwana mutangani ya bati point 66 out of 72 out of 72 igomoro chechi point nani jadelete era tungore gendekyo to go cho mwana bata mai sense kabisa ya bati point 28 yeke to ko pimenusi ya 72 igere 36 Ono mwana wa mweri abaji point 38, point 28, na abana bale piro 36, that is the average. Ibara abana babiri. Gomoro je percentage ito ko eta itoro almost 98.9%. Igabane bakote wonders.
Omokonyi wo mwarimu monene Emilio Nderi otebire skuru yo nigo gutangania masabo kirachinga kiase mirobero yabo asa masaba yo abakonyire konyora matokeo yaramaya.
Senkoroku Emilio Nderi deputy principal Kenya binge. Gento kiagalire skuru yeto yakolire buya number 1 no kubwaterana. Omwedi ticho ito balimu baito abayiboli na abana baito they are disciplined. As much as tore town school, abana baito ntora tuara mwana, obeire no to chandire mono. And then abana baito they have been cooperating, abalimu they have been bako ende virasi totali konya kubabwati kurumaega. Then we did a lot of exams, preparing them. Kiagere tu achete tokanyorana ama temaya ago change the content is the same but the language is different. So we did around 6 exams this term, third term, preparing them for this national exam. As I am, I'm very excited. I don't even know what I'll tell you more. Kenya binge fire!
Ase nkwana ya Kennedy Matara uyoro munyakero go BOM nigatebire buna marange nigabantu bamanyete buna aboroki bwabo barase chiskuru chire angene town nigo bagotwara chimbwa chimbe kolende aboroki bwa skuru ya Kenya binge nigo babwate chimbwa chingi ya chinga kichonsi
asubwaro baturusiri kokole bitali chinguru cha mwanya bantu koikoko boko kwa manene ko sororo kabere umwalimu n'abalimu oboiri bwarengo na bwagirira yonsi aba igomkwira niribia Nyasaye n'abarimu bane ba Kenya binge ase obo mona abaiburi wetania yo abana be skulu ya Kenya binge baorokiri the role model yekiare kiabono nturanyora any challenge ya abana ko baibi bakogera abana bange asiti skulu kirange ne town ngo babale ebintu emunguso ne mengeroro chisinema mbali lakini abana ba Kenya binge they are very different from those characters.
Deborah Kirubo, Ensoko TV.
Toska bosio mwanchumo rigararia abaibori aborokia nabega aborokiwa nababwatani au nigobono mu basorero basangerekana se skuru yoboroso ya Hurricane eyo kutoka asensemo ya ria twenye wodi ya Nyatike nsemo bunge ya Kitutu Chache South County ya Kisii ase enchera ya yogo chengera amachiwa maya ayo skuru yo ya Nyarako bagikorikia samatemo mana KJSA yo mwako yiga okwana hegerekyo mutendribwe skuru yo nigobono hagandria aborokiwa maya abayigo kuba bodi banyarako babakwerusana nya kurwa se chisabu chimbe kiraba irere guturumania amagimabo nonyana bo hengana yogo saro ko mwana humunyaroka nigo ya Nyarako bagikogikerirwa asenseme.
I'm Francis Bagaka, the school admin Hurricane. Today we are celebrating good results for our candidates who sat for the KJSA this year. We are really happy that out of the results we have attained a mean score of 7.5 out of 8, which is a very, very good result. I want to thank all stakeholders, starting from learners, parents, management, and even the subordinate staff for the tireless work that they have done in ensuring that we are attaining these good results. I'm also urging the students, the good morals that we have taught them here, they extend it when they are outside at home and when they are going to join senior schools coming next year.
Parents here at Hurricane, I'm so happy I joined Hurricane this year, January. My boy has done very well in grade 9 and I'm so happy. I appreciate and advise parents from far and above and even those who are in Kisii to come and join this school. This school is very good. I'm also bringing my boy who is going to grade 4 to join here.
I'm really thankful to all our teachers, my fellow students, our parents. They have given us support since we started grade 9 and we are really happy with our scores. We just thank you all for the support you have given us and I'm looking forward to also pass in my upcoming grade which I will after joining high school.
Na sisi kama wazazi pia hatutaki mambo kama ya FGM, tumeyakemea kabisa. Ndio maana mmeona hao watoto wako hapa wako na furaha kabisa kwa wao wazazi wa hii shule wamekuwa na hiyo elimu na wachakiketa hata watoto wao.
Mwancho murigaria togotigana nayo yechisemi Brian Achaka kurwa sensemire chikamera ako manyanga niga skuli yakuru kwa Hurricane korende tari Hurricane buna twanyarako batogo chika buri tangani togoskabosia soroboti ronde bone county ya Nyamira. Mwakilishi wabasubati we county ya Nyamira Mheshimiwa Jerusha Momanyi nigo aruroko boria gochya sabagambia mana bantu bonsi koneke bunanko bwatara na bare heriyo gochego siria chisege chegenka echo cyabero mochando ase chinka chinyinge hanigo harenge ko yakwana ase umusangerkano oyorengete gosemia abantu buna chisege echo ekiranyarako bachigo tuguterware ase eskuru yoboroso ya Rikenye iyo gotoka ase wodi yerigoma nsemo yebunge ya Kitutu Masaba asomusangerkano yoboigo mbaikira na Rabagambi wase omo women rep county ya Kisii Mheshimiwa Doris Donya abigo mujumbe onyaribari cyacho Mheshimiwa Zaire Janda oyorwa hesegeto gochya sabantu bonsi baso ime ya serikali yabono muri Kito Vincent Monda agotomanya senchero bikira
Kagokwana asomusangerekano imeye sukuru yoboroso yari Kenya umusike Jerusha Momanyi nigatebire chisegi chegenga cyagerera abandi basiri obogima egento boigateba tigabantu basemigwe buna bagokora chisegi echo na bali baratoke na mamo chayo bairerwe gatambukero.
Tunajua ya kwamba gender-based violence imechukua watu wengi na wako ndani ya makaburi. Kwa hivyo ni lazima tukipata watu wetu mahali popote tunawahimiza na kuwahamasisha ya kwamba kama wewe uko na spirit mbaya ambayo inafikiria every time mahali uko lazima unafikiria wengine vibaya, hiyo roho tunataka kuikemea itoke kwako, kwa sababu Mungu ndiye alipatiana uhai na yeye peke yake ndiye anatakikana kutoa uhai. Ama sivyo?
Goigo omusike Rusha nigamuburirio mujumbe bwe bunge ya Nyaribari Chache omusike Shairi Chihanda oyore ngaso musangerekano oyo atebyo murai bwenso omusike William Ruto akonye na gusire skuru yeri Kenya eyo magacha yarense nabo iga abantu benseme yo nabarubo banyore chinguru cyo muriro gwestima
egente kene na rusiriga esukuru ene tete gokonye kaki kendikirense getekyo oendo tikontebeli president kaki asugwanja togocha kogendo eskuru yeri bakuru chibesa chikoro kutia infrastructure ekera ni matenchiro iga naro abaya amo ase omorero gocha kubeko elinde abantu baito banyoro omorero tomorekere bakabali bagotara botuko onde tagojwa bakabana igo omorero noro kuganio konene gocha sekenyoreke
asomo yegoyo naikira no mu women republic county ya Kisii omusike Donya Doris oyo nera senkwana yayo segeta abantu batigo sara bana banyaruka kunenjera ya moyo korende nyoma monenga yabo.
Leo mtoto wako ataoleka nje ya Kisii, wakipata amefanyiwa hiyo operation hadi wanarudishwanga. Mimi nawaambia ukweli, juu wale wanaelewa vile hiyo shamba inafaa kufanya nini, kuumbwa. Wanapata shamba iko flat kama lami, mtoto anaambiwa hauna kila kitu, fanya nini, alafu mnasema tusiongee. Mutatetia bana baino batera chisobo ingirende hakimo kutorangererie nyange
omusike Jihanda nigasegeta abantu babwatise serikali abwasagendera kone chisera cyabale barase serikali ya broad based.
Serikali ni kitu ya muhimu sana, si kweli? Na ni muhimu tukubaliane tukae kwa serikali, kwa sababu serikali ndio inatupea maendeleo. Hii serikali inaleta railway, si mnajua ile train, hiyo train inakuja mpaka pale Ikonge. Kwa hivyo tuunge serikali mkono, watu wetu wapate maendeleo. Hebu tuone mkono ya tutam. Harambee.
Vincent Monda, Ensoko TV.
Tukoskabasyo mwancho murigari ya chingaki amariganio yobochorio bonne bumwaka bwechiri bubere 2025 na ibera chakire nigo yokabero muwaziri ase county ya Kisii na boigo mwanasiasa Dr. Alfred Ndemo ritikoria rero anyara ko baka kumerana n'ababwatani baye kuru ase chiwode chionsi meyense mu bunge ya Kitutu Church North abwase bono bakora egikaro nabasae ensemo ya Mbanda ewodi ya Sensi eliko sangeria ebirangererio igoro ya maonchoreria hari baganetie kuru asare ebunenchire moyo gochiakoria ekirego kyubo jumbe bwe bunge yo korengana nabasae habwo nigo bono bagandri okoroseriwa amabaga yemeremo asekiria bange nigo basomete aboigo meromo teyo boigo niga basabu baburigwe kubwata chikura sobonge na boigo konekia nkurwa bare nkwaka bare chikura wetera enchira yesimi nigo Dr. Ndemo hagandri abasabu kubwata chikura sobonge na kubariera eira yogocha kubaikiraneria hamaganio abayo bagane tumuri kitopetu el machini agotumanyia senchare bwikirana
ekera mariganio bochorio bonene bumwaka bwechirubere na 2025 nebere agenda tukubwata nse nigo yokabero mwaziri ase county ya Kisii na bwe mwanasiasa Dr. Alfred Ndemo ritikuria rero wetira babwatani bae kura shughuli imeyebunge ya Kitutu Church North bakodege karo nabo saime ya Mbanda egodi ya Sensi erikusangiria birengerero igoro ya monsurio na ndebagane tukurwa sere okuriye kirogo kyo chumbe bunge yo
abantu bamwitombye bole salama sisi gakina oke kana igore ne mwe kanase mo kwane yane mbiyamo sana
kuringana nabasabo nigo bagandi okoroserwa amabaga yemeremo asekeria bange mbasomete kurinde mbabwati meremo
awete bona to atenya manifesta. That's why you heard some people saying that they want him to come to the ground so that he can sell his manifesto. Another thing, let's talk all about interests. This is what I would say. And one of the interests that is supposed to be prioritized right now is employment. We all need employment. My fellow said that if there is no employment, we're going to be thieves. And later itakuwa ni crime. So attend maone venye atatusaidia, and going forward we'll appreciate and we'll push him to the uttermost so that he will win the seat.
Na abere no mogoko aso mwishimigwa ndemo atonyorereri bageri kuryogocha kubeka namo na kurwa maoni yaitu ntubona buna basaba ke egento nari goteba e constituency yetu ya Kitutu cha North etware gusaba mwishimiwa ntubwate abana abasaba akorire gisukuru abandi bari sikubata bwati kigasi bona torochenga ntubwato boremeru mbabwati gasi bakora twari gusaba mwishimiwa bono nyasago konye keroko ira otororera abamura abari sikubata bwati kigasi elinde bakonyora kigasi elinde bakore berwanerere.
So another thing maybe is the one who will bring employment to our youths na shule endelea kutufanyia maendeleo vile tunataka.
Igatiebo niko bamochirie barahibalia bakuriye birogo kuigamira murayo ndebu nabono Dr. Fred Matiang'i na kuonya barai kone chira chabo guchasa bananchi.
Kwa Dr. Tikono kuenikari just parenting atena somo ndio kwa kechukura. Eoni kwanza. Eoni kasa bantu. Na omonto kira segeto kwa terror oika segeto tume.
Niko baboria basai gutiga siasa chukura manase metandao egento getari gyokoboke nabo yokera irere gusaria chikura.
Matusi tabo ati taikura. Oni esera. Chiusa mwenyewe. Ayoni esera au kira. Matusi to leta matusi ase nini mata mazuna ngosi ya chikura. Alipo. Mondana aromata wandona na kama ndio kwa randa sita tako ya chikwate. Bakira batenje kere. Oromata kwa sai chikura hicho. Ya to mutizera maike ground ne mananda be atero ngotele dire. Ta banaki ngati yamba kwa set ni wetu roye account. Biro kya kwa account.
Chingo kichecho nigabasai baburigo kubwata chikura sobonge nabo yokone kyangwa akabare chikura asebarireira kumusira Dr. Ndemo asigangaya yakorenza moncho rime bunge yo.
Vijana na waimiza kila mtu ashike kura ndio if we want change we must do what? We must vote. So kila mtu ajitokeze kwa wingi, wenye hawana kura tushike kura. Alafu tutajua vile itakuwa hapo mbeleni.
Ikobone twari gusaba yasago konye 2027 twaberanga go kwa mama magoro na kimogo tebe bichana.
Tuko tonjo tuko ndani.
Kupotelea Ensoko TV kuroigwa mbanda ebunge ya Kitutu cha North County ya Kisii Chempethuel Machin.
Mwancho muriria asoroboti rwaya Pethuel Machini no tokwirira umutumoko umutangania sema ya kuru Ensoko ensema sobot kobega toskara sengenjona mange nkwariganetia sensemo ya kaperen korana sege kagetari getambe to gantrego sanga toskar.
Eye Ensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi. Amarire nigagendrete gutose mwana boire bukia tari Yesu sera ekegonko esukari lisabeso ukurasa kwa manyinga yani blood pressure ninki turakore wetanga kuri wasare nyora lichibu asomurobiryo bubugima nobo cheno asora bego kumeni wanabanyegitari bamarwire ao nabo yabamanyi bande bayatunge tyobo cheno kumurikira marwire nobo wenia nyoro murobiryo bubugima nobo cheno na Caroline Mausa kirali tukule Jumatatu chinsa ibiri chabutuko ime Ensoko TV uboroso bw'omugusi. Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi onye kubwatera iboryo obosemye gusekero kindi gyonsi.
Njumurigaria karibu sana bono asensemo ya kabere ya mesema ya kurensoko ensa emo biyamuna soko gandrago sangana intwe abono tukuskobosio tasorbo tiroko bwatia stoko manyigo mu MCA omochore ebwekerenyo Jeremia Ongaro nyawigo yo Nyansiongo Jackson Mugusu no nyama ya Christopher Usiemo nigo bono batia ni gwatikoria rero ase ebunge ye county ya Nyamira na gochake mirimo ya bori muri okabago kwanekerekyo nigo bono barure bose barire eira inga nigo barachie kwenekia obokorerio buya gochia sabamenye be county eyo ya Nyamira.
I, Jackson Mugusu Mutumbe, do swear solemnly affirm that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the County Assembly.
I, Jeremia Njenga Ongaro, I do swear solemnly affirm that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the County Assembly.
I, Honorable Christopher Muturgasimo, do swear solemnly affirm that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of County Assembly, member of Nyamaya Ward.
I'm afraid that they must confirm I was their bona fide MCA. I sincerely thank the people of Nyansiongo and thank the people of Nyamira for confirming and affirming the confidence that I'm really their MCA. In that regard, and cognizant to the fact of the role of an MCA, I want to affirm that I adhere to the Constitution.
My dead brother, Honorable Ejosiamo, by continuing with the legacy, the good legacy he left. I'm here to unite the people of Nyamira County Assembly. We want to work together as a team. I don't want to isolate myself. I want to interact with my fellow MCAs.
That we have come from a battlefield and here we are. Many of you who had time and grace to take a rosary, to say a grace for us, we thank you very much. We thank you, here we are, and we need to work. We need to work. When a speaker, you know, I'm taking off from you, and as I'm taking off from you, I think there are some areas you tell me where to do and what to do.
Tukuska busio mwanchu murigari abo onchururi abe chiro ya Kiango hiyo gotoka sense moye bunge abo machoge Burabwi county ya Kisii niko baeso kema mbiarero na kuyigora echiro hiyo yenseme yo maiga echiro yo koba se miaka 12 koruyanya atakobage koera kwagachwa asebono basabira serikali ya county ya Kisii koba inyora nekerobono abanyara koba bakuyigora echiro yo buna gutumanya murikito Dominic Onderi.
Abamenyi n'abonchire b'echire ya Kiango meye ward ya bomba bunge ya machogo Burabwi county ya Kisii abaesokeri tukarera na kuyigora echire ibona yanyara koba ke gukora emyaka 12 ko yanyara tukoba kwagachwa ne serikali nabwo asebono bakabuya se umurayi nyagosira nafta ndirio ntweka uyenyarete ko bagosagane serikali kwagache chire yo
kenyombe cyatagoretwe kwani hapa toroseri wechiro echire twanyeganyire for more than 15 years njanye koigoro
yagache tu 2013 yamenyire twatemire gotebi biongozi batoigorere echiro mbali gotoigorera twatemire mara ange ntoikoigorerwe echiro bono twararangana muna intwe abanyene echiro rero tigatochamo echiro yeito tore gosene igoru kubatekana echiro yeito yamenyire amatuka matambe paka yagotire
abonchire abanigo bamuchiri abarayi borongoro igaso gotabwateria mangane yo kuigora gwechire yiga maiga yo kuira chira chinyinge cyo kuigora gwechire yiga
emire sabachire iga bagotoene karinga kuigora bare mbanya kuigora twarara buna abantu abamenyi baga abanyabiasara baga na bari batore iga na ekamati yonse piengima pero twaranga nere buya toche toigore echiro yaito bari banse bari sko nyombe kitari kuigora bari kurusiko baje mabakora gento kieke bakorere echiro yaito
chire gokora wasiri na jetatu achire gotema wasiri ntuntu anya komorora chiro nabo ere igo twachire gotema chuna chini nyono mochumbe twamotebiri chiro yaito yanya kuigora ntubona twerure ngaki rero nkuigora tole
ere bona matombe murigeri na mogurigerere tiga gitaya cyebiruma ababi no bakomenyama epati nge nyasaye buna tuangita abantu bakiango abaje bakatoletera abasikari ma bakonyire mbinte ebige konyo bya serikali bya sire kuruma
bono ntubwato mochando asengenchi yokonia ebinto byeito igotokonia ebinto byeito isiko yechiro na inde chiro nigo yarosetiwe kare sana bono emburage gototwera tokoeni tokoreta
bono echiro abantu bachandekire abangina isiko bagotwerwa twachire gotebi biongozi toigorere twerure bono ng'echire yeito tiatokorencherende yonsi echire yeito tonyeigore
ekiagera turusia abangina bonsi bari chombi magena kiagera magena ere nchabo elinde bachega iga tupakiri ororo ching'eni echinde chikwenda narobi echinde chikwenda busongo abangina mwanche boigo toigore echireye
serikali ye county ya Kisii yaragiro ikiaraso kweba abonchire bechire yiga asebo igo bamuchire mu governor
teyo abantu bamindose bono chogo teyo chogo gegotenena mpaka simba arati bwe komanyene aichachi gutuboringa tuchikomuboringa ninki geko gero muchio tari koiguru ekina giya toreta gegasiri tukoria rero tonyoro boene bwito muna into abantu abakachi bakiango
simba na toletere to muga koito tugukwana umana bwanya
terene Dominic Onderi Nyabuto
tugusikabosio mwancho murigeria babwatani bekiombe kigetenderete hokoegwa kuborongekia NCAJ na babisabe sekta ya para nigo bono bakorege ikarori tukoria rero ase bakwanire amachiko hanyarko baga kubwatigwa na barundia bechigari boigo chipigipigi chinga kechiga chimaiga yesuku kumurikito Linet Nyambane nagotumanya senchero bekirana
Egeikarikyo boigo geikiranwa na abarai bekegambero abobisa kurwa ekiombe kia ODPP abarai babanyanyimbo abobisa batenenere tobosombi bwebara NTSA boigo abarai kurwa ase ewizara yoborendi boime ase enkwana yarwegwa no munachebina omonene imeyense Martha Koome nigo batebire ebikore byeme basokano byakinire kurwa chiribunye chimia inyena kianda ebyo byaenegetigwe omwaka weta korenganirwa bono asa abantu chiribunye chimya na isato na batano na batatu basiririo obogima.
Meeting was held against a backdrop of an alarming rise in the number of deaths associated with traffic accidents, which have risen from 479 fatalities recorded the same time last year, that is 2024, which have risen to 4,682 recorded the same time in 2025, which is a 5% increase. Acknowledging the anticipated rise in road usage during this festive season, which is often accompanied by increased congestion and increased incidences of accidents and road crashes.
bono baruro kuburia gwichiasa abakenya kubwatia amachiko y'ebara nabo igogotarwa amakia erikwenekia emebasukano egokorekana nkwerere.
We urge Kenyans to observe traffic rules and regulations to avert loss of lives and injuries, and also to reduce and eliminate traffic congestion. We call upon all the stakeholders to cooperate and engage with this issue of the road traffic accident by reporting where there are incidences that require the support of the law enforcement agencies, and to mobilize personnel and other resources to support the interventions lined up during this festive season. Lastly, we hope to sustain these engagements beyond even the festive season by working on legal, policy, and administrative reforms that are necessary for effective administration of justice related to traffic offenses. The command center is live 24 hours to receive any report, and the Inspector General of Police hereby confirms that.
Boigo nigo abarundi chigari baborigwe koba maiso erikwenekia abiriango ikabare chisabari cyabo buya.
Motorists are particularly advised against overspeeding, drunk driving, and overlapping during this season and beyond. Kenyans are encouraged to report issues of concern using the toll-free numbers, which are well known, but I'll repeat them: 999 999 911 and 112.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV, erietariane Linet Nyambane.
Bemono murigito Linet Nyambane no roboti rwa senjira yubikira mwancho murigera togosikabosyo mujumbe bwense mu bunge ya Kiharu Mheshimiwa Ndindi Nyoro nigobona mochire serikali ya Kenya Kwanza asoko kabesa madeni ya mange hayo atabiri ni gari gurube enene chia saba Kenya kao kwana kurwase chia bisi chiaye asama gacho ye nyumba ya KICC nigobono Nyoro atabiri serikali nigebwenda tagwesoke maisomarore na kweraba Kenya chinchira ya tumegete chi trillion inye echianya tukobage kabese miaka 3 ya itire.
I've been saying this and requesting. If I'm, for example, a member of parliament, when I go to launch a project for the benefit of the people, I put forth, this is the amount of money we are using, this is where it is coming from, these are the people who are doing it. Because there is nothing to hide. And likewise, when it comes to government programs, since they should be doing it for the benefit of every Kenyan, what better joy would it be than to come into the public and tell Kenyans, we are selling these shares this way because of this and this reason. And then Kenyans tell you, no, we think if you give other people an opportunity to bid, us as the owners of these shares, as the people of Kenya, we think we can raise more. Now Kenya wajadiliane, and the best idea to proceed and Kenya to benefit entirely. It is the same issue as borrowing. The government borrows on behalf of Kenyans today and in the future. Because when you take a loan, for example, of 10 years, you've already committed a child who is not yet born into paying that loan. And because there is nothing to hide, it would be better anyone in government to be very proud and come and face Kenyans and tell them, we have borrowed 4 trillion shillings, this is what you have done with it. Something so huge to ask. The money Kenya has borrowed is close to 4 trillion shillings. It would be a great joy for anyone in government to come proudly and tell Kenyans, out of the 4 trillion you have borrowed, this is the much you have done. And then let Kenyans to decide about uwajibikaji ya hawa watu. So kwa hizi mikopo, kuna mkopo or there is the debt we are taking in the main book that is now going to close to 13 trillion shillings. For the last, it was 8.7 trillion in 2022. So we have borrowed close to 4 trillion now. But now on the side, there are other borrowings. Securitization is not part of this. It is an illegal one, which I don't include it because it is illegal. Taranta Port is illegal. The money that is building the bombers of Kenya is also not part of this loan. It is another illegal loan. So we are asking a very fundamental question. The illegal loans are the ones we can see what they are doing. The illegal ones, which is just a small fraction. Where is the 4 trillion Kenya shillings Kenya has borrowed for the last 3 years and 2 months?
Tuguska wesimu anchumurigaria bono asensemo ye chiosori nigo bono yarenge omogoko monene gochia sabatiotirebe club gia Shabana horosagia county ya Thika Road branch boseti RB maiga yogo ikirana sumo iga bogo chengire myaka 3 kurogo chakiwa korosagia oro no maiga hoikiranetwe ne chimia chia batioteria borosagia oro na boigo abarai ahegati abo mushimwa Geoffrey Mosiria amono morikyo mone we club ekyo ya Shabana Elizafan Kirama morikito Daniel Omwaga no arenga sensemeyo robotiro ya senchiro wikiro Obotuko bwe weekend yeye nigo abatiotereria abe club ogia Shabana FC orosagiro rero Thika Road branch TRB bareganetie omoyega omonene kerage gucengera emyaka 3 yokoba kwaba korwa rochakibwa no moyega okenetwe enabarai ao egati yabo mo chief ubwa amangana a citizen engagement and customer services me county ya Nairobi Geoffrey Mosiria amo no morikyo monegwe club keria agia Shabana Dr. Estefania Kerema oyoire teli baga alia bene na kobene keria abatioteria abe club kyogia Shabana inganigo Shabana era chiko korabu ya season yeye.
So at the end of it vile nimesema tunaendea hii kikombe kuna shortcut. And by the end of fasting, lazima tutakuwa tumeingia na tukiingia hapo hivi tunakutoka egati yabarai korwa asoro sajoro orwa TRB abanyarete gukwana negeteseni igie Soko TV asenchire yabene bakora uno musubati Happiness Commander nigo babakira mbuyamo nabatiotereria boro sajoro rwa Shabana TRB asomokioria bakobeka ilyo kwene kinga miroberio oyonsiro sajoro yekiranire asenchira yabene
Samaritan Happiness Commander tore nomogo komonene o celebrate TRB at 3 tobera ase and it has been a good way to support Shabana Kore branch at Thika Road. We have like 700 members plus who share this Shabana with passion. So today we are here to just say thank you. Thank you for the funds, for the support that we see from every member to travel all the way to support our club Shabana. Omogo Torege Garero will celebrate TRB at 3 years.
Mbiyamona se abatioterewe kiombegia TRB n'abantu abayakegima nabere no mogokokora abantu abange mashabiki yetu ya TRB ayikira igasomo yegoyo kweli tukolia lero mbiyamona sana nimanje tu atari sabari kiri kinyinge asa matuka mange tokora raisiko toikamambi tokwanda kigazi towera matuka mange sana ekegege na rara abantu abange ayikira lero nabere no mogoko ni n'abantu abaya kasimo kogenda musiseniwe ngana ande ngoteba iga Merry Christmas nande totuale omubo mu totuale Shabana toboro kiba kesi family kitonga kotoko kwenda ka kotoka ne Christmas mukwani abantu bamino mubatinga TRB yabakwanire happy TRB day happy and merry Christmas.
Nonyanigo egatie batiotereria aborosagiro rwa TRB ebe club kerija Shabana awekenete asomo yegoyo nigo babegete bene koene kiatene nibo sani bwabo bonene obwate gochia se club ekyo ogia Shabana FC.
Somebody down and go to Tomungara, aka OZBD. Now, Lisa Bikiria Shabana for long. I started to support Shabana 2016. Still I was young. paka bone yango support inde Shabana na ndere ku support Shabana bintu kire bintu kia nembwate nda doke beka in Shabana ora baka bana wane nda to beka in Shabana
Mageta por Dharma Guruke na member TRB group wakira Nyasaye ng'amyamono ase ngakeiga tuwasherekea miaka itatu kabiramo n'abantu abange onega turi members 700 plus.
Samarieta nkoro ku Duke Roni gose captain no bakono kari TRB na abere no rosagi rwa TRB ese miaka ya rirene lakini era tokale gochengere miaka itatu tore no mogoko monene une branch buno rosagi rwa Shabana oro nene kabisa
mega jogo chakibo mwaka kwa chimwere mrongebere N3 Rosagia arua TRB amatioterelia bari be club ya Shabana ikikosolia eligi nene imiyense ya Kenya FKF Sport Pesa Kenya Premier League iko na itukolera bomba na somo bogani oyo asibachengera agosemania igoro ko kwabo inse myaka 3 bitukalero gutira ko bari ko uri omugano esibale anene esoro kyo kwegena kwabo nge club ya Shabana FC ngechikoimo ke league soniye meleke akoroki achigosori chingia asama tukamega ika egento batebuninga ni korabe kire omugokoro monene osoguma bwabo ingiripoteri ya geteseni Igian Soko TV korogaiga asaba twetera babaka bakomerana imbarambare ene parene ya Tikaro retari ananchenko kwa Daniel Omwaga
Yamano Morigito Daniel Omwaga na roboti orwechi gosori kurwase ensemeyo ya ogochengira emyaka 3 yorosagia rwa Tikaro the branch se abatyotere timu iga ya Shabana chidageka 50 neyamo mwanchu morigere cha utokire oyensa eyamo kianda choka chitigarete eraga chinsa iberechia bono botukonchenkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi mbiyamona sore na bego mbiyamona sabari kibaitu bamangana basangeria ayaga onsi aseri bagaya ya Brian Achaka Felistas Kabendi na bego John Kebatikoro ase studio ya Kabere abo bane kebuna marigene chibicha ngochara senche rengia gendra gutware marago bengia no borigerio ya bwemero beria gendreta sembeo ikoroga chinsa isato nenchikora na gato sange aiga asenche ro wikran